Alright, so we're at Pun's house, going to work on this piece of squeeze. This truck's been sitting since, I think Christmas. There's this plate case, I won't feel it. So we're about to do the fuel pump. And see if we can get this piece of shit to run again. So, hey Pun. Hey, say what's up to the camera, man.
What up, nigga?
About to be famous. These are Impalas in here hidden. The white one is some guy's in jail for murder or something, but we're holding his Impala for him. That's how we get down here in Woodbridge. This is Pun's Impala. What year is the jump? 64 Impala. Factory AC in this thing. Last time when we brought it here, I was able to get it to run for 30 seconds. Just throwing some carb cleaner in there to start it up. So probably don't need much to get this thing running. Y'all gonna see that soon. You already crashed that, John?
Leave me here, you were never good enough. Won't change a thing now, there was never trust. Don't you say a word, cause I've heard it all. You were just pain when you felt it all. Oh. Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone. Ooh, baby, there ain't no one like you. You chose to keep the truth inside. Ooh, baby, keep my heart with you.
Give y'all how not to lift the car, alright?
Motherfucker slid off. So watch out. Don't move.
Hey, make sure you make me look skinny, alright? Alright, just hurry up, man. The video's getting boring right now. Take off one connector, this connector. I should be able to leave all these lines on. Fuel lines are off. There's the main there. Had to use this 3/8 quick connect from Advanced. 20 bucks for a whole kit. I'm sure these probably won't last too long. But for 20 bucks, and I got a whole assortment of it, and I don't really do fuel pumps like that in general. It's kind of just a thing for my boy. It's a pretty good deal. All right, so here's a new one. We do need to swap over the sending unit. I already took out the other one. Fun's got the old one. Pass me that back so I can take it off.
All day instructions, bro.
All right, so you gotta swap over the sending unit. Got a plug. It's plugged in there. Just pop this up a little bit, pull it out. This gets slid in here. There's only basically one thing holding that, and that's this little clip there on this tooth in the middle. Take it off, transfer it over. Put these cables right in there. Transferred over, plug her in. What the hell am I doing? Oh, so it's nice and tight. Did come with an O-ring. This one's still stuck up here. The other one's already on top, the brand new one. I guess I do need to transfer over these quick connect fittings so you don't forget the other ones O-ring over there.
Of course, we got charged for the battery because it's been sitting since Christmas. So now you go power it. Stay 20, 15. We'll power this up. So I can take about 30 minutes. But I just enough juice to use my little jump outside in the corner charger. So we'll see.
Truck is done. As you can see, she's running again.